Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As the festival season has started, so I wanted to try this traditional look for you guys that can be worn with any ethnic outfit. So let's get started. First, I'm taking this wet wipe and cleaning any dirt that might be sitting on my face. Then after this, I'm taking a toner and spraying it all over my face. While my face is still wet, I will apply moisturizer and let it lock the moisture. Now first I will prime my lids using a concealer. We will begin our eye makeup using a light brown shade as a transition color. And when I'm satisfied with the intensity, I will take a darker brown color and merge it with the transition color. After this, I will take the concealer and cut the full crease. I'm not making a wing, just keeping it round at the ends. After this, I will apply golden shimmer. And to further intensify it, I will apply loose shimmer. Now I'm taking a gel liner and creating a winged liner. And also lining my waterline. Next, I will remove any fallout from the eyeshadow and reapply the moisturizer. After this, I am applying concealer under my eyes. For the foundation, I am using Too Faced foundation all over my face and neck. And start dabbing it with a damp beauty blender. Now with the highlighting concealer, I will highlight certain areas of my face. With the loose powder, I will set my under eyes so that there is no creasing. Let's do the contouring now. I will contour my face, certain areas where I want the shadow to fall. After this, I'm using a blusher just above the contoured area on the cheeks, and you can put a little bit on the nose if you like. Now I'm smoking out my under eye area. And extending my inner wing so as to make my eyes look longer. To apply my false lashes, I'm placing it on the center of my eye and then pressing the sides so that it does not move. Now removing the excess powder under my eyes. And I will start with my brows now. Next up is the powder highlighting. It gives that natural glow to the face that has got lost due to the application of so many products. Finally, I will finish this look using a liquid lipstick. And here's the final look. I did this look for my Karwachauth. If you tried this look, don't forget to tag me. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.